I think that collaborations between artists and scientists magnify and amplify the work of everyone involved.
There's iteration happening in both science and art, but the methods are very different.
Sciences is more collecting data and understanding and making sense of it, but the arts are more about representing, expressing.
I think having those conversations about how could those methods get closer together, what can we learn from each other about the iterative process, and how we communicate these insights, we can close that gap a bit.
As a media artist, I can work with any material on the world, and sciences have really interesting materials and methods, right? And those methods, those processes can easily become a tool to create a metaphor, a tool to make an artistic expression.
Scientists get really excited about seeing their research visualized in a way that they hadn't thought about before, and in a way that I hope is inspiring to them to think about their work in creative ways.
By exploring various aspects of data visually, perhaps you can find compelling insights and ask better questions than you could before.
When you have really interesting visuals that communicate a complex scientific idea that an artist has produced, then I think that really broadens the audience who's open to the idea of learning that information. They think like, I don't understand this perfectly, but it looks awesome. Then they're more willing to invest in learning the complex science behind it.
It makes the communication with the audience livelier because they encounter something novel. But if they can see something that they never encountered before, they are going to pay attention to that and they're going to remember that. And maybe it's going to go to their thinking, their heart. Maybe it's going to make a change in behavior. So that's the hope.